Welcome to my YouTube channel TKF Electronics. I hope you all are doing fine. Well friends, today I received one parcel for repair. This is came from Bangalore. This is sorry for the hiding the address because it's the customer's privacy. Well friends, this is Sony Iv300 music system home theater. This customer saw my video on the YouTube channels and he called me up and he told me that he will going to send his Iv300 Sony home theater for repair. So he sent it already. So let's check. Let's unbox this one. So inside of this nice packing. See, this is the one. This is Sony Iv300. Okay guys, see, he has written the fault also. Surround left, surround right not working. Other than that everything is okay. Actually guys, this Sony system given for repair from local technician, but he did something inside. So finally he saw my video and he sent it to me from Bangalore. Well friends, now we'll check it out what's the issue in this. See, okay, let's keep this aside everything. So we'll start working on this. Let's check it out. Turn surround left and surround right, and here is center speaker. 3 output is not working. Center, surround and surround right, left and center. So customer has written already the fault. So let's check it out what the issue is. So friends, as you know, this has come from Bangalore, one of my YouTube customer. Actually this, according to him, this set was working fine, perfectly okay. All the channels outputs are perfectly okay, but the customer told me he don't have the connector for this one. Maybe he misplaced the connector or that's why he went to the local technician to get it soldered, all some wires from inside for the speaker. So after that the problem started. So he told me that when he soldered this one, so my other 3 speakers stops working. So in this he has written already that surround left, surround right and center speaker is not working. So this 3 is not working and this 3 is working. He said like that to me. Now we'll check it out. We'll put it on now and we'll check. Sound is running. So now we'll just check the output. So we'll check the output. This is front right. Front right is working. Front left also working. This is subwoofer. This is also working. So now center. See, center is not working. So it means that this 3 is not working and this 3 is working. See, and this is not working. So surround right, surround left and center is not working. This 3 is working. So now what we'll do, we'll just open the cover and we'll check what's the issue in this. So we'll put it off first. see guys, so this is the condition. You can see his solder. I think he removed this one. So we'll check now step by step. We'll check it out now. What exactly problem is in this EVR, in this home system, Sony home system. Because as you know, this 3 speaker of this side is working, 3 speaker of this side is not working. Means right, left, and subwoofer is working. Surround right, surround left, and the center is not working. So this IC is for this one, and this IC for this 3 score. So I think we'll check some voltages first. So I'll put it on. This is my common. So I'll put it on now. So I already put it on now. So I already on. Hello, come see. Okay guys, hello come. So we'll check some voltages now. I already connected to my Bluetooth. See, it's working. So now we'll check some voltages. So we'll check some voltages. So on the voltage. So this is stream IC. We'll check some voltage on the stream IC. Pin number 9 is the supply pin. See, supply is coming. And on 11 pin number is some voltage should come. See, 1.6. It's okay. So it means that our on 28 pin number 28 1.8 should come. Okay, this IC is good, looking good. So on pin number 5, 10, 15, 20, 22. This is 22 is okay. 25 is okay. It's okay. So guys, voltage is coming perfectly okay on which is very important pins. All pins voltage is perfectly coming to this stream IC. So it means that there is no problem with the stream IC. And we'll check some more here on pin number. Okay. Yes, so this is good. 1.8. 35, 50, okay. 1.8. This is also good. So guys, voltage over on this pins is good, working properly. This IC is working properly. Little hot also, but it's okay. So now we'll check voltage on the amplifier IC, this one. So we'll check some voltages there. On pin number 29 we'll check first. 19, 20, 20. First we'll check on the 20, 20, 20, 21. See, 21 is the digital supply to this digital supply point. This perfect 5 volt is coming. Okay guys, and another thing is on pin number 29, 20, 20, 21, 25, 26. Okay, say 3.3 volt. Okay, it's perfect. So input is coming to this IC, but there is no output. I mean, the amplifier output is not coming. So 25, 16, 17, 28, 29. See, this is 29. 1.9 volt. It's okay, perfect. So it's very thin pins are there, so it's very careful. We need to take the voltage test, otherwise your IC will blow off. And see, supply to this pin also good. See, high voltage is coming. See, high voltage is coming. So it means that everything incoming is good to this IC. On pin number 30 I will just show you. This is 30, 1.9 volt. Okay, see, all voltage perfectly coming. to this IC. See, all it is coming perfectly. So but there is no output, same like here also, this IC also. See. So guys, I think IC, we need to replace the IC. So what we'll do, voltage on this pin is okay, voltage from output of this pin to the input of this pin also okay, but there is no output from the IC output, amplifying output to the speaker. So it's confirmed that IC is the problem. So what we will do, we'll replace this IC with the new one. I think the IC number is STA516BF. So we'll replace, so we'll put it off, we'll take it out, this board completely outside, and we'll start working, taking out this board. So we'll put it off first. We'll start dismantling this board. So guys, we'll take it out now. See how they fix this one. This is the previous technician soldered this one. See how it is. I think maybe because it's shorted somewhere, so that's why it is, IC is gone. So anyway, this is the previous technician make some arrangement because he lost the connectors, that's why he makes this arrangement. Anyway, we need to take it out, this one. Now keep this aside. So we'll start working on this now. So first remove this out. So guys, we have removed out this one. So now we'll replace this IC with the new one now. Okay. So this is STA516BF IC. So guys, this is the new one. So STA5. So we'll replace this defective IC with the new one. Perfectly. So it's perfect. Put it back to the system. So use some heat sink compound. So guys, perfect, we have already fixed. Now it's time to check. So we'll check it out now. We'll put the power on and we'll check it out now. So we'll put it on now, friends. We'll check it out now. So it's on. So I put it on. Show hello. So it is showing hello. See, it's showing hello. Okay, now I have already connected to my Bluetooth, friends, so I will increase the volume up to 24. So now we'll check the output first. So friends, before this 3 was working and this 3 was not working, so first we'll check the working one. This is a buffer. This was not working. Center, surround right, surround left. Now we'll check. So guys, so this is the buffer. So all is working. So guys, we have replaced the faulty IC, which is giving output surround left, surround right and center. So it's rectified the problem. So thank you very much for watching my video guys. Take care. See you very soon in next video. Bye.